So if you've been looking for a way to make some money online, you've been searching all over the YouTube, I'm hoping this video will just clear everything up. And at the end of this video, you'll be able to be making some money. So as you can see on the screen right now, I'm making money using this method, and I'm gonna share it with you. So how to make $150 from home. And this is a make money online for free, and it's fast, and it's something that can be done anywhere in the world. It doesn't matter where you are right now, you'll be able to do this. So keep watching this video. Don't try to skip ahead. Don't try to cut the video, because I have some bonus that I want to give to you at the end of the video as well. So only the people that watch the video all the way to the end will be able to get these bonuses. And I'm not going to just give it out willy-nilly in the beginning of the video, because I know most of you will just take it and just run away. But for the people who watch the video, that's going to be a special bonus for you. How to increase your earnings, that I'm going to share with you right now. So let's dive into the video. There's a couple of things that you're going to be needing. And the first thing you want to do, you want to make sure you go and sign up for Clickbank. It is absolutely free. Sign up for Clickbank. As soon as you sign up for Clickbank, then we're going to find the product to promote. Now, I'm a big believer in spirituality, manifestation, all those things. I listen to them frequently. I work on myself, and it just clears my mind, and it really helps me a lot. Now, I'm going to do this with a particular product. Now, I'm not an affiliate for this product, or, I don't have the rights to this product. In this video, I'm just going to share with you my experience of how it works, right? So you can use this method with any product that you feel comfortable of promoting. It has to align with your integrity. And what I'm going to share with you, the one that I'm promoting, align with mine. So that's my belief and my belief. So if you don't believe in it, hey, it's all good. Make sure you find something that you believe in, so that way you can promote. All right. So what we're going to be doing is, find the product. This one right here, it works. There's a lot of great reviews on here. A lot of people have been using it, getting results, helping them, finding themselves and just becoming a firm believer. So this is OMG 2020 New Manifestation Magic Mega Hit, right? So if you click on here, it will just take you over to their affiliate page. Now, there's tons of resources that you can use. If you're going to use Facebook or SEO as your advertising, this is where you can come. You're going to use email. You're going to do email swipe, banner ads, blog, everything that you need to use inside of your marketing to go out there and crush it, so you can find things. Now, what you need to do is you're going to sign up for an Instagram account. It is absolutely free. Just go to Instagram.com. And once you go there, you could sign up using your phone, and you can use your email address, your phone number, or you could just sign in using your Facebook account. Multiple ways of signing up for an Instagram account, and it's absolutely free. Once you sign up for the Instagram account, we want to base the Instagram page around manifestation, uplifting stuff. You've seen it before. So if I go on Instagram right now and I type in motivational quote, you'll see a ton. All right, I could just type it in. This page is over 67,000 people following this page, right? They're getting quote from famous people. So they're not just coming up with this by themselves. You can easily find these things. And I'm going to show you where to find them. And you can find a ton. Like if you go on Google right now and you type in motivational quotes, there's endless of motivational quote. Now, all these motivational quotes that you see people are posting, it's rehash information, but people like you and me, well, I know about myself, I like to follow those pages. It gives me that extra push, that extra kick. So there's 450 motivational quote, 100, there's 50 best, there's 300, so many, right? 300 motivational quotes to reach your potential each day. So you can click on it. And once you click on it, you see all these motivational quotes that you can find, right? And then once you find these, you're going to head on over to Canva, and you can then create your own by clicking on it, and you go on to animated social media, you go where you see Instagram, right? So this is the Instagram format. Now you can click on this, for example, and you could change it to whatever you want. So let's grab something here real quick. Motivational quote. This one is from Disney. What I'll do is I'll just copy this, copy. I'll head on over here, all right? And I'll just paste that right here. Or you could just put it right into the big section right here, all right? And put this here. And then you could just put it at, let's say, 32, right? There you go. And then who was, this is, I think this is Walt Disney. Yeah, Walt Disney. Let me see if it was Walt Disney. See, there you go. I know so much motivational quote, like I know who they are. So this one is, automated. It is automation. If you want to find the solid ones, you can go with Instagram. You can go back here and you can type in Instagram posts. You can click on there, right? You can find Instagram posts and you can find different ones. You can find this one. Find one that is a trend that looks very, very unique. For example, let's go back to the Instagram page. Where did it go? Right here. Now you see how clean and they keep it around the same way. They put, city in the background, they put ocean, they try to find different things. So you could do that as well, right? So keep staying with me because I said, I'm gonna give you some bonus. I'm gonna show you how you're gonna crush it using this method. So keep watching. Now, you wanna sign up for Post Early. Post Early is free, right? If you wanna sign up, click on here. If you want to add more accounts, of course, you have to pay for it. All right, I'm gonna log in. I have a few different accounts, so I'm just doing it for the sake of this video fresh so you can see what I'm doing. So once you create this, right, for the sake of the video, what I'm going to do, I'm just gonna grab a, let's grab a manifestation. Let's grab a manifestation quote just for the sake of the video. As I said, you can maximize your results just by, using Canva. So for this one, just for the sake of the video, I'm just gonna grab this picture, right? Just put it right here. I'm gonna close this, don't need this anymore. New post, right? So you can add a story. You can add story as well. So let's say you want to add stories, automation stories to your Instagram account. You could do that too, right? And if you don't want to add a story, you could just go back and add a post. So you could drag this right here, right? See, uploading it. Okay. Now you can write a caption. You are who you want to become. You are what you want to become. You can put some emojis on there, right? Add a little emoji right there. You can put follow me, put the Instagram name right here. That would be your Instagram page, right? You can, put some, like this, follow, the thing. Make it look good. Put some emoji, not too much emoji. You can write something if you want. You can then schedule it at what time you want to post it. So you can put it on the time. Let's say I want to put it starting tomorrow on the 16th, and I want it to be posted at 7:07. Advanced settings. You can put in the advanced settings down here where you can add location if you want. This is where you're going to put the affiliate link as well. Okay. This is where you're going to put the tag. This is like user tag, product tag. That's if you want to do. Okay. Now you see where it mentioned, it said 30 hashtags. So you want to do the hashtags, motivational, hashtag manifestation, all that stuff, right? You can put in 30 in there, not a problem. So what you want to do, you want to grab your affiliate link, which is here. And once you grab that affiliate link, you just copy the link, copy this link. And when you copy this link, copy it, you want to head on over back to the posting, right? And you want to put your affiliate link right there, right? Now I'm going to show you how to even, again, get more results using this method. So keep watching the video. You can put it in there. So your page is going to automatically post. Right, I'm just going to close that. Your page is going to automatically close every time, post, not close, sorry. Your page is going to post, and you could click on where it says schedule. Right? After you're done, click on schedule. It will just consistently post. So you could set it up every day. You can set it up automatic. You don't want to spam too much. So you want to have at least, let's say 6 posts a day, 3 hours in between. Just set it up, and, once you set it up, it's going to auto post for you. Now, here's the cool trick, right? The cool trick that you could do is direct messaging, right? So add your Instagram account, and you can start to direct messaging people who follow you. So people are going to follow you. They're going to like your posts. You're going to engage on them. And once they like it, you're going to also DM them, right? And this is how you make the good money, right? So this is a script, as I said, so the people who watch this video right down here, this is a script that you're going to be using. Now, if you could see, I see we have something in common. I love manifestation. I think you love what I'm about to share with you. I know I know life gets a little bit busy sometimes, and I do understand. We are growing our community, this is where you're going to put your Instagram page. We're growing our community on whatever page you want to call your page, and to show our appreciation, we want to offer you a gift. Now, some of you probably think that, yeah, free gift. Well, yes, they're going to get a free gift. Once they sign up, they will get the free gift. It's very normal, right? So they're going to get a free gift. That's what the ad copy says on here, that they do give free gifts. So if you look at it, people who sign up, they get a free gift. Now, once you do that, right, it's going to automatically send messages all the time. When people engage or like or follow you, you could set it up that way to say, okay, if people follow me, I'm going to message them. Or people in this particular niche, I'm just going to automatically just send them. So you could copy this. Now is the time for you to pause this video. You could stop it, you could write it, you could copy, you could tweak it, you could change it. Don't do word for word, because if everybody do it word for word, guess what? Instagram is just going to shut down your account. It's pretty normal. So tweak it, test it, get some inspiration from this. So if your account get banned, don't come complaining at me. I'm just being real. All right? So that's what you want to do. And this is where you want to put your affiliate link, because now the affiliate links can be going into the inbox, into the messages, and every time it's going to go out. So that's how you can make $150 per day from home, just setting this up. This is free money. It's fast. It's not going to cost you anything. And you can just get started right now. So if you're looking a way to make more money, to take your business to the next level, highly recommend you check out the first link in the description. I'll look and see what I'm doing. If you like what I'm doing, that allow me to be at home with my son, with my wife, and do this full-time from home, check out the first link and tell me what you think. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.